Do you think that most of your insurance claims are getting rejected? Here are two reasons that you should constantly focus on. First is Uberima Fides, which is also called as the principle of good faith. What does this state? Let's imagine that you're a policy holder, you're going to the insurance company, you're getting your proposal form. While you fill it up, always be completely honest about everything that you know. The risk that you want to cover. Say everything that is material to the risk. Do not hide anything from the insurance company. Because when a claim happens and the insurance company investigates and gets to know that something related to the risk, which is of highly important, is not being disclosed or is being hidden by the respective insured from the insurance company, then the insurance company has all the rights to deny your claim. The second cause is called as the proximate cause. Now what happens? One loss can happen due to several reasons. There might be a cascade of events that is happening. Let's say 3 to 4 events happened one after the other, and there was the ultimate loss. But there should be one cause that was ultimately the reason for this loss. That is called as your proximate cause. And only when your proximate cause is covered under the insurance policy, a claim is paid. Even if the last event is not covered, it means that your loss is also not covered. The proximate cause should always be covered by an insurance policy.